And then people are killed each and every day. What is war? What is the struggle, you comrades? I don't know. And we've been raising these issues now. Stop this thing and delay the struggle, because we know you benefit wherever you benefit, but people are killed. I mean, you guys were failing Swazis. Like seriously. What is difficult about coming to the ground and say, comrades, whoever on a spam, whoever on a MOOC, whoever on a scan must go to the street and attack, because we are being killed. And I don't understand, because how can you be attending conferences, drinking wine while you are being killed? It's traumatic. It's sad. It's so very sad. I don't understand you guys. These political classes, what do you discuss then? Where is the will of the people? Where is the heart of the people at night? If we've got 80 people killed on the struggle, we don't have even a single soldier, the weakest one, injured. No, comrades. I know, it's sad, man. It's very sad. And then years back then, we've got comrades like I said, jail. I'm afraid even these MPs like I said, jail, they will end up like Amos in bed. And then you will soon forget about them, very, very soon. I know it's going there. It used to happen. About beds, they tried to effect this thing, and then unfortunately they were arrested. Now they are dying there in prison. Nobody thinks about them. And then I'm afraid even these two MPs, they will suffer the very same fate. Because, I don't know, maybe you are being paid La Pagalozita, and then I request you to disclose who is funding you. Because it's not told we are in a struggle here only to find we are funded by the people. It's sad, comrades. I don't know. Now, instead of Mapoisa, I told a clear message: Swazis are angry, Swazis want democracy. You are silent, you go out of the country on trips, and then they come again, materialize my families. Shaban, Bablala, Mafoni, property, good. And then what is going to happen? Nothing. And as we speak, we've got the state, more than 50 witnesses to testify about these two arrested MPs. So you can see with people, why? It's because of you. You can't blame individuals, because it must be that organizer as much as organize, you come in as my leaders. Hey, we are going to address, hey, you must comply, you must do this. You can't even organize 10 people. But organize it, they want to fight. You come, you want to take control over the struggle. And then after that, hey, peace comrades, peace comrades. You can't even organize, 10 people. You comrades, I don't know, you're failing Swazis. I'm disappointed. You need to attend political classes or political schools. Otherwise, they might as well forget. This revolution thing is not going to happen. So, because it's clear, history has proven people can't liberate themselves. That is why we've got this organization. But then, understand in our context, it seems like these organizations, theirs is to counter the revolution. I mean, we are in the middle of a war. The government has communicated this position very clear. Because look, we are fighting here. No rubber bullet, no what. And I mean, just think about those families. Banbago, Labafida, Labang 8. Bafabu struggle. And then while and they see you comrades there in those countries, we know what happens there. And we know what happens in exile. Though you guys were living very nice in exiles, there at Kosatu House, you are even getting stipends. it's nice, but people, they organize themselves. Bafuna kulwa, bafuna freedom. As a matter of urgency, you come. No, we must talk. We must attend conferences. We must address SADC. And even after Jeffrey Ashiro, there is nothing that SADC is going to do. It's on the side of the government. We are failing to tell the people, look, people, we know you can organize yourself, organize another, organize another corner, take whatever weapon, and we go, we fight. We know who are the enemies most. But where is the pillar number 4? Nambire for my PPA, and then we thought something out is going to happen, and then we know you collided with certain business individuals to say, look, don't do this, and stand bambisa now. PPA now. Where is the PPA that was formed years ago? Yini function here? Nothing. The only function like on, if you can check the PPA, project proposal le proposing funding. We need to get the funding so that we can hold political classes and whatnot. That's the thing. The struggle is about that. Bandu bayafa left and right, and I asked you some few years back, we are getting funding from your ANC, your COSATU, we are getting millions. What do you do with that man? Nothing. I've never had any political party surrender donation. It's here we've received 1 million from EFF. We are going to share 500,000 with the poor people. Nothing. I mean, you guys, man, Buffett, like people are dying, and then the only thing you care about is traveling around the world, traveling around the country. Because the more Banbaba oppressed is the more opportunity to buy a proposal. No, we have seen that the soldiers now send us so we need to go and sit down and strategize. Strategize what? Bandu bayafa. You political parties, all of you combined, just because you not benefit personally, and then you must use imperfectlo yeban so that in life you line shell corny like that to beg sustain. And emaswati at organizer, as had organized like that, nsuke la nsuka khona, nisuke nifuna kutowa command. I mean, those people, they organize themselves because balambili, because by oppression bayayifila, bakwati kuswela imali, bakwati kuswela kudla, bakwati kuswela umsebenzi, but organize. And then you come after but organize it. Yeah, this is how we are going to operate, comrades. Hey, this is what people, they don't want that. Bafelo band, and mind the more laba fellow ngende glut is the more available spirit is your pale. And then in peace we understand Comrade Makau is doing a great, but then now we can't rely on prayers. I mean, you can't pray bandu bayafa bablogos batu jula bela lena kusiya ukuthi famine ngetikhathi ta Jesu ukuthi maybe kuwe indlala umkhumbi kaNoah bantu babulawa abantu masoja. The only reaction that must happen, people must fight. You can't request people to be praying each and every day, say attendaza each and every day bantu bayafa. What must happen? No, let's pray, let's fast. No, we must fight. We need guns. People, I mean, man, hey. You maswati vukani ningathathi lithemba leli nilibeke kuma political parties. Those people, they benefit through the struggle. I'm telling you, mark my words, 2 years down the line this thing will be over. You will be back to the most worst situation. And at that time, because the freedom you're being akukho umuntu oliswati lofuna kuhamba biyele estradini, because ipresident chobi sethiwe ukuthi once wangena usungenela umzabalazo uyofa, ufise kwenja ufozabalaza kuphela nje kanjalo. It's worse kufa abantu labanebantwana, se abantwana babona tinsanzane early stage. and then it will be just like that. And then those comrades yeah, we must negotiate with China so that they fund us. My families are feel. If you check most of these political leaders, hijack struggle, most of them they're driving nice cars. You can't see their cars. They don't starve. Hence, vele impilo yabo rely on your poverty. And then now you must stop listening to any political leaders. Don't tell about hey, we must reason, hey, we must do this. It's one. If Nasinjempeza or una anything and the relative yaki feel, you know what to do, most. You know what to do. So what are we waiting for? And busy trying to listen to people who spoke about addressing the media. Yeah, it's fine. Says Kulumil, asatzing Kuluma, Bandu Babula, Bayafa, Bafagam Lilwen Bashiswe, live. You can just imagine. And then if you slow Sakos Bagam Lilwen Sashiswa, then you go Figumuna Chelos Manje, I Sahamba, see Taiwan, Sio Kuluma, Tafle, Kuluman, Banbashiswa. Ban bablawela indlu tawo labatakeka kabuhlungu ban bathathela ukudla kwabo labakuthengeka kabuhlungu, and then you come tell us we are going to attend the conference to talk about what? Because the only language lengabiya khuluma manje is to say Maswati asiphumeni sihlasele, because vele sesiyafa sifile, if siyafa basicetha is fine, let's all die basale batendele. Hey, manini Maswati sa attende a conference sohlangana neSADC Troika what then what? I hope you political what leaders or organizers or what you see this thing. It's wrong what you are doing. It's very wrong. Bantu bayafa. You guys you've been here for long. I mean, you've been here. There is your comrade Amos Mbete. If I can ngcineni kumbona umadayipasi prison umadayipasi, he was fighting the very same struggle. He was fighting and showcase regret, because you guys vele nifuna make sure ukuthi you fight and then you regret, so that the struggle asifike ekugcineni niyachubeka niyabenefit. We know nihlala lapha ePretoria eJoburg nehla nenyuka nema proposal kuma embassies. We can confirm that you go in all those embassies requesting a donation so that you can hold political schools. Hey, what. The only time Maswati Kona is you addressing on media, addressing online, and then you disappear. Once I organize the Maswati angry, then you go there, you want to control them, you want to address them. People are angry. We are tired of being addressed, my statement after statement. No, I want to my voice and my soldier keep my statement at this time, because they know what to do. They clearly know what to do. They know. You guys, you might as well, man. I don't know.